We declare Tech Summer 22 open in the name of God the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
My name is Valentina, and I'm the coach for graphics design class.
Coach Louis, and I'll be taking those of you who are enrolled in software development, particularly HTML and CSS.
Bisola. My course is business design.
Steven Adediran, and I'll be taking you Python for software development category.
We've done practicals on how to program for a website.
I also learned about the data types.
I got to know about the Tech Skool from the Facebook. It has been encouraging, seeing something aside from playing that keeps him busy, keeps him wanting to learn, and it helps to get his way through the internet.
I'm Mr. Carlo Chinedu, joining from precisely in Anambra State.
My name is Carlos Mamanda, and I'm learning in graphic design. Actually, I've been having a great experience in HTML and CSS class. And our coach, he has done a great job. He has been patient with us and always make sure that we are following the class.
Do you feel like it's the right investment, that you've made the right investment by investing in their learning in Tech Skool, particularly outside their regular schooling activities?
Yes. And Bible protection said that you should train up a child in the way he should go. What he is old will not depart from it. So I thought that I'm making a good investment. So the outcome of what I'm seeing is very interesting investment.
Mrs. Ikinata Adesanya, and actually connecting from Port Harcourt, Rivers State.
My name is Adesanya Abiodun, and I am Konsola Adesanya.
At the beginning, I was thinking they had known enough at this stage. I was thinking it was an okay knowledge for at their age, but I didn't really know it was possible to actually build on that, or if they could handle it. Okay, so that was why I wanted to give it a try. Just check if it's not too much on them, then let them continue. But if it's too much, maybe just allow them some more time. But it was so good because it was like a new environment. They loved it. They were excited about it. Very willing to learn, and they were so zealous with their classes. And thank God it's been a good experience. It's been a good journey for them. The coaching is very good. It's excellent. I've watched the instructors and the instructor-student relationship. It's been very good. How they keep the children comfortable. And this is summer, as in the children are in holiday, but the instructors are still able to, capture their attention and make them concentrate, even when they are in the midst of their friends. It's a difficult thing to do, to get to, bring children away from the play zone and bring them to learn. Then I think there must be something. That was very admirable. And then in terms of communication, there was very good communication. It was a very good communication platform. They were always on time. You get the information. If there's anything, you should check even before it's 4 p.m. You get that information. And no, I can say it's good. Yes, wow. Well done to management.
Okay, I want to say thank you very much for everything you have taught me. You've enabled me to be able to practice my dreams of becoming a software engineer and a software developer.
I would like to give a big thank you to my coach for creating a medium for easy and simple learning of the basics of technology and bringing my various imaginations and ideas to life.
I'm Susanna Ebienga, and with me is my son. I'm right here in Delta State at Saba. We were introduced to Tech Skool and were asked to join the platform. That was sometime last year, 2021. And the journey all through has been super amazing. No time at all has been wasted. It has been beautiful. About Tech Skool, it's not about the big grammars. Tech Skool has got value that everyone needs, especially in this era of the digital skills that we all need. And they're doing a good job by bringing in our kids, both in just in various, cutting across all ages, teaching them according to their age, their learning speed. It has been beautiful. When you talk about Tech Skool breaks everything into bits for this kid. If I'm going to talk about my kid, Yoni Ebienga, sitting right here with me, he's just 8 years old. Before now, discovering the Tech Skool, I was really skeptical and really in a complex situation, thinking of how to introduce him to learn and to understand how to navigate his way all around systems, whether the laptop or the CPU. But Tech Skool made that very, very easy for me, introducing it in such a way that he understands everything. He understands even little apps. He understands how to navigate all around the system, which is a good introduction because that is the basic foundation he needs, even when it comes to anything digital at all. So that introduction is a great value to all kids across any era. He just knew that yes, the laptop exists and you can use it for various things. But no, I didn't even have that knowledge on how to really introduce him to the basics of it. But right now, he's good with it. If you're a parent out there and maybe you're still trying to make a decision if you're going to come on board or not, don't go about analyzing the situation for too long. There are very few platforms like this that can put your things and your kids through. This is a platform. I'm here to testify. It's a platform that has helped taking the burden off me of introducing my child to the basics of the laptop and some other basic designs using the laptop. If it can happen for me, it can happen for any parent and guardian out there. Why not relieve this burden and leave it into the hands of e-school? You'll be amazed at what they will do. This is the era in which our kids need to be engaged. We have that fear as parents and guardians. What are our kids doing online? Be rest assured in your heart that when your kids are online, they are with Tech Skool or they are practicing what they have learned from Tech Skool. That's what Tech Skool will do for you. Aside that, bear in mind that this era we are in right now, digital skills, you cannot run away from it. It's not something that will pass away. It's something that has come to stay. This is the future, and we're already living it. The best time to have joined Tech Skool would have been yesterday, but the next best time is right now. To not overthink this, just come on board.
Wow. All right, my name is Anima Shaun Adetola. I'm calling in from Ogun State, Nigeria. We got to hear about Tech Skool via my IG handle. The need to have my words to get engaged during the summer holiday prompted me searching online to want to know which courses are available. He never had any prior knowledge, any prior experience.
We successfully created a calculator, using HTML. We've learned basic HTML tags. We've gone into HTML colors, and I can say very on my own now, I can develop a website.
All right, I don't know how you do this, but then I'm going to say something profound. Tech Skool has been able to help my boy to get to discover what he wants to study, what he wants to have as a career. Before now, he had wanted something differently. But now, he keeps coming back, wanting to go into software engineering, system development, and what have you. His experience is limitless, very profound for me. The fact that he's been able to discover himself.
Wow. What would you tell a young boy of your age watching you today and is thinking, should I be a part of this? Should I not be a part of this? What would you tell them?
Oh, okay. So my advice to that person would be, if you miss this opportunity, you have missed a lifetime opportunity.
Wow.
Okay, it's a good thing that is happening in Nigeria, basically. Internet is the next oil. Data is the next oil in Nigeria. And any child that is not plugged in now will, in the very nearest future, be shaved out of the system. So for every parent that knows their worth, that knows their onions, this is an investment that is worth a buy-in. The amount is too meager, it's too small compared to what others are doing it. But then I say, this is the next best thing that is happening. It is not something that is useful basically for Nigeria, but it's useful as well globally. You can be in Nigeria and working remotely from Canada, be working remotely in the UK, and be earning your fat incomes. So for our children, for them not to be disturbed, for them not to be trouble or be a trouble to the society, we need to invest in data. We need to invest in Internet of Things. I want to urge the management of Tech Skool to keep it up, keep evolving, and keep giving it new. Thank you very much.